She's so cute. She's the cutest. Hi guys, so today is the 23rd of January and I am currently at a store because I have my 18th birthday photo shoot tomorrow and I want to get some balloons. So let's go. So I found the balloons. There's only pink color, but I think I'm gonna get pink anyways because my theme is pink. 18. I did not get the balloons because the balloons that they have here, you can't fill it with helium. So I did not get them. So I will not have a balloon tomorrow. But I think the place sells balloon as well. So I think I'm gonna get from them. I think, not sure. I'm gonna go home now. I am finally home and I also went out to collect my Samsung. And these are my sister's parcel. But I'm very excited. Yay! Good morning guys. It is currently 7:38 and I am up early because I am gonna go to my photo shoot today. It's not really a photo shoot, but we just like rented a place for us to take photos because it's my 18th birthday tomorrow. Yes, so I'm gonna start getting ready. Honestly, I have a lot of time, so I hope I'm not late for anything because I have to do my hair, I have to do my makeup, and I have to film a few TikToks, so I hope I'm not gonna be late. Also, I did my nails. They're just press-ons, but ta-da! So I am dressed and I have my makeup on. This is what my makeup looks like. And this is my outfit. And heels. Let me show you guys. So this is the outfit. I have a pretty dress, a mini dress, and heels. And I also have this bow in my hair. And I curled my hair. I've arrived. Oops. People are looking. I've arrived. Look at, this is the place. Ta-da. I feel kind of awkward. I feel very overdressed. But it's okay, right? This is my sister. We have arrived. Okay, let's go in. We are upstairs and there is a lot of scenes. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna shoot, but there is like, it's very pretty here. There's also a, at least in the Wonderland scene, and this is what it looks like. It's a cafe downstairs, but it's so pretty. Yes, I'm excited. I just finished my photo shoot and they have polaroid cameras here, but you have to pay for it. Look! Tell me that it's not pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, so let me show you guys the place. This is the first set. And then there is there is a set with a fridge flower. And there is this thing. And then there is a bed. Oh, there is a bed with balloons that I bought and flowers. And I took the cake here. There is like a gigantic bear. Very cutesy. And then there's the birthday scene that I took. It's very cute. There's like a lot of cakes here. And there is a Japanese set. There is a, I don't know what this is called. There is an Asian set. There is a Chinese New Year set. Very cute. I am very satisfied with my photos. It's so pretty, like. And this is my fit. Yay. This is the place. Hi guys, it is currently 11:08 p.m. and this is the last hour of me being a 17-year-old because in about an hour I will be turning 18. Honestly, I don't know how to feel. It's like it has hit me that I'm gonna be an adult, but at the same time I don't want to be an adult because I like being a teenager, but that's life, right? Anyways, I lost my nail. I lost one of my nail. And I will see you guys at 12 when I turn 18. Bye guys. Hi guys. I am turning 18 in 5 minutes. I currently have my retainer on, so I'm sorry for the lisp, but in 5 minutes I'll be turning 18. It honestly doesn't feel real because I never thought this day would come. Like, I never thought I would be turning 18. Yeah, it's a really big number. What am I saying? I don't know. Come in my vlog. Yeah. I am turning 18 in a minute. Woo! It's not.
It is exciting. You're turning 18. Ooh! Heaven.
Look at her. You want I think she
Happy birthday! Someone is turning 18! Oh my god!
Oma, I got
Happy birthday to you!
Happy
생일
birthday.
축하합니다! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Congratulations for turning 18! Oh my god, my story is not posting! My story is not posting!
I am 18.
Happy birthday,
Thank you.
old lady.
Thank you. Okay.
Happy birthday.
I will continue this vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow because I'm gonna celebrate my birthday tomorrow. No, today.
Yeah, in a few hours time.
Yes. Yes. Bye guys. Hi guys. It is my birthday. So I am done getting ready. I'm waiting for my sister. But we are gonna go get my birthday present. I'm gonna go get a Polaroid camera for my birthday. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. So let's go. Hi guys, look at my dog. This is Sunny. Look at her. She's a bit camera shy, as you can see. But she's so cute. She's the cutest. What do you have to say? Okay, bye guys. Say bye-bye. Have arrived and let's go see if they have it here because I don't know if they have it here. And it's pretty loud, so I'll see you guys inside. Bye.
你的那个 film 靠近我脸飞了。
So my sister got me this. Ta-da! I've always wanted this. I got the one in white color. Oh, ta-da! I will be using this tonight. This is what the camera looks like. Ta-da! It's so pretty. It says hi. Thank you. Yeah. Isn't it pretty? Yes, it's pretty. Okay. Like me. Okay. Ta-da! I bought an SD card for it, and it has a screen. You can record a voice too. That's cool. I'm done getting ready. We are on our way to dinner. This is my outfit. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi guys. Hi. Yeah, this is our outfit. Yay.
Flashlight. OOTD.
Hi guys, we have arrived. Let me give you a tour. That is our pool. And then this is our table. Just took pictures. Yay. Welcome to my vlog. Hello. We're gonna leave now. Yeah, I took some pictures. It was fun. What do you think? Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Oma, what do you think?
Masih good.
Yeah, good. Okay. Want to say good again?
Good. Yes.
Yes, good. Okay. I am finally home after a long day, and I lost 2-0. Anyways, I just want to take this moment to thank every single person that has wished me today, and thank you to each and every one of you for being in my life and being an important person in my life. Yes. I am finally 18, and my goals is to make more memories and cherish everything before it's too late. Yes, that's my motto for the year 18. For the year 2025. Yes. I did a picture of 3 of us. Is it focusing? Yes. Plus I printed 2 pictures of myself. Yes. Yay. Ta-da. Thank you for watching my vlog. Until the next time. Bye.